You can use AirTag to keep track of your keys, wallet, and more, and to help locate them if they're ever misplaced. Here's how to set one up. Before you start, make sure iCloud Keychain and two-factor authentication are turned on for your Apple account. Your device also needs Find My, location services, and Bluetooth turned on. And it must be connected to the internet. If you have more than one AirTag, you should set them up one at a time. To start, remove the protective film from your AirTag and gently pull the plastic tab from the battery. The AirTag plays a welcome sound. Now, bring your AirTag and your iPhone next to each other, and a prompt appears on your iPhone to guide you through the setup process. Tap Connect, and select a category to name your AirTag. We're going to choose Backpack. Then, tap Continue. To register your AirTag with your Apple account, tap Agree. Once it's ready to use, the AirTag plays a sound, and you can attach it to your item. And that's how to set up an AirTag, so you can keep track of your most important things.